How to fix 0x800700aa error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Updating Windows Defender ensures that you have the latest version, which may include bug fixes and improvements that can address the error. Running SFC and DISM utilities can help resolve underlying system file corruption issues that may be causing the error. When encountering the 0x800700aa error during system restore, trying different restore points can help bypass any issues associated with specific points in time.